Hey there, welcome back to Techie Assistant. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship and exploring how you can start your own business as a virtual assistant. Whether you're looking for more flexibility, independence, or just eager to put your skills to work, becoming a virtual assistant could be your ticket to success. So, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on starting your own VA business. We will start by understanding what exactly is virtual assistant, identifying your niche, defining your niche, marketing yourself, setting up your business, and delivering. Just like I told you earlier, I am about to break down the step-by-step guide on starting up your own virtual assistant business. So what is exactly virtual assistant and how can you get started in this lucrative field? Well, stick around because we are about to break it down for you step by step. 1. Understanding the virtual assistance industry. A virtual assistant is essentially a remote administrative professional who provides a wide range of services to businesses and entrepreneurs, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to social media management and customer service. Virtual assistants are the backbone of many successful businesses. And it's wanted to also note that virtual assistants is a collective name for a lot of niches. It's just a collective name. Virtual assistant itself is not a job title. It is a collective name for different job titles. Okay, I'll give you to success in the virtual assistant business is finding your niche. That brings us to the topic, identifying your niche as a virtual assistant. There are different niches within the industry, and to identify the one that aligns with your skill and interests you, you have to take inventory of your skills and determine what services you can offer as a virtual assistant. Are you an organizational guru, a social media wizard? Maybe you excel at providing customer service, or you are a graphic designer. Whatever your talent may be, there's likely a market for you in the virtual assistant world. All you have to do is just to make a list of your skills and services, and don't be afraid to get too specific on the services you can render. The more specialized you are, the more easier it will be for you to attract clients looking for your particular expertise. After identifying your niche, the next thing to do is for you to define your niche within the virtual assistant industry. So you should consider the types of businesses or entrepreneurs you want to work with and the specific services you can offer them. Maybe you are passionate about something that has to do with small businesses, or you have experience in a particular industry that you like to work with, like in real estate, e-commerce, or retail. Do some research to identify your target market and tailor your services to meet their needs. Standing out in the crowded market is key to building a successful virtual assistant business. Finding your niche, you move on to setting up your business. Once you've nailed down your skills and the niche you want to focus on, it's time for you to set up your business. This includes choosing a business name, registering your business, and setting up a professional online presence. Consider creating websites like LinkedIn accounts to showcase your services along with your profiles in freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr. And you should also consider investing in your workspace and invest in any tools and softwares that could help facilitate your work and make it easier. By tools and softwares, by tools I meant PC, headset, etc. After setting up your business, then you begin to market yourself. Okay, marketing yourself is the fun part of this video for me because this particular part may not exactly be easy for some people. But hey, if you really want to succeed as a VA, as a virtual assistant, you got to market yourself. And you got to attract clients. Start by networking with other professionals in your industry, attending virtual events, and leveraging social media like LinkedIn to showcase your expertise, to create valuable content that demonstrates your skills and positions you as an authority in your field. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients and interact with them directly and pitch your services to them. You never can tell, and you never know where exactly your help or the opportunity you've been seeking for may come from. So here comes the step 6, which is delivering exceptional service. This is the last step, but definitely not the least step. So focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients. Communication is key in the virtual assistant world, and try to also be proactive, responsive, and always strive to exceed your client's expectation. If your client tells you to do one, make sure to do 2 or 3. Always exceed their expectations. So by consistently delivering high quality work and building strong relationships with your clients, you will not only retain their businesses but also attract referrals and positive reviews. Do you know that several people get 90% of their job through referral? And as a VA, as a virtual assistant, you need all the referrals you can get. So try as much as possible to exceed in delivering exceptional work, exceptional services to your clients. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own virtual assistant business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with hard work and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your virtual assistant dreams to reality. Thanks for joining me on today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on building a successful online business. Until next time, happy assisting. Bye.